I know.
Mommy,
Yes,
what are you
Christopher.
going to say?
I'm wrapping up Lucas's present.
I don't want to go to Lucas' house.
Why not, sweetie? You don't like going there to play? Okay, well, we'll just go very quickly, okay? We'll come home very quickly, I promise.
Oh, look how far away it is. It's a look of concern. Where's the baby's face?
What
What are you going to say? Emily.
Oh.